Welcome to learndaddy.com. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to use the tool slot. इस ट्यूटोरियल में हम सीखेंगे कैसे हम यूज करते हैं slot tool को. So let's begin. So we are going to start with the creating new document. We are going to click on the part. And first of all, we have to select the plane and start the sketch. So let's draw a rectangle. So simply I'm going to draw a rectangle, and now we are going to exit this sketch. Now let's extrude this sketch by using the tool pad. I'm extruding it to 50 mm, and let's get this, select this sketch and press OK. Now let's talk about the tool that we are going to use, slot. So you can find it below the rib tool slot. Also you can find the tool main menu, sketch paste feature, and the tool slot. So this tool is similar to the rib tool. So in this tool we also need a path and the profile, but in this case it cut the profile in a solid model. So let's check how we going to use this one. So first of all, we need the profile. So let's draw a profile. I'm going to draw a sketch. So we are going to draw a circle. So let's draw it. And now we are going to exit this sketch. And now we need a profile. Now we need a path. Sorry. And let's draw the path. I'm going to select this face. And we are going to draw a line. And now we are going to exit this sketch, and now we are going to click on the tool slot. Now you can see in this tool we need to select the profile and the curve. So first of all we are going to select the profile. You can see we have selected the profile, and now we need to select the curve. So let's, now you can keep the profile angle, so profile control, keep angle, and also you can provide the thickness. And now I'm going to press OK. Now you will see we have cut the profile on the solid model. Okay, now let's see it in. Now you will see we have cut the profile by using the tool slot. So the similar options you can see in the other software, that is sweep cut. So same as the option of the rib. So in this option we need a path and the profile to cut. So in this tutorial we have learned about the tool slot. So I hope you like this video, and thank you.